Hello everyone, welcome to Charisma. Today we'll be doing a Lippan art. We'll be using macrame rope instead of clay this time. This is also a nameplate with Lippan art on it. So let's get started. Paint your MDF board in white using acrylic color. When the board is dry, make concentric circles for the guide and at the last circle, draw petal designs. We will be using macrame rope here. Snip off the edge to get a smoother end. Place the rope on top of the marking to get the length and then with the help of glue, paste it. Put some glue at the end too so that the end point looks neat. In this way, measure each rope to the mark and paste it. Let the frame dry for a few hours. Let the glue dry and then paint. Now the fun part, mirrors. Paste your mirrors in whichever pattern you see it beautiful. Use as many as you want. I'm almost done with the mirror part. Now I'll proceed with writing the name of my house at the top. And here is the final piece. I hope you had fun in today's video. Please subscribe for more. Do check my other videos. See you soon. Take care.